face this lonely place. I can't wait to see your face. This thought of love is keeping me awake, keeping me awake, keeping me awake. Darkness fades, I wanna see your face. Darkness fades, I wanna see your face, your face, your face.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are having a freaking awesome day. So yeah, let's get started with today. It's 8:15, so we got 15 more minutes until the bell opens, so the market opens, so should be exciting. Have a big day today. On the forex side, not really, just pretty boring stuff on the forex side, nothing really interesting for me to see. JPY, kind of a long bias on it for today, but nothing really too interesting. Maybe we can kind of expect maybe a D1 entry right over here with divergence coming in from here. So yeah, I guess you could call that a D1 entry or a D1 style entry. So I mean, yeah, you could see that price action starting, breaking through the 50 and making higher lows. So if I really want to, I could go ahead and try scalping this. We got the upshift right over here. MACD is starting to go into fall. So let's see if it actually tries to retest and fall, or just kind of hold the level, hold the gains and continue going up. MACD is going up as well. Liquid 50 is kind of still falling, but seeing that RSI push higher just give you a little bit confluence into it. Pretty much it. I know your JPY, it's like max ADR. I'm pretty sure that's pretty much everything. Everything looks kind of just crap today. GPAUD, I know Austin took this and he took a loss. Like for me, like the 800 being the 800 EMA being the way, like it's just so sketchy, bro. Like obviously, this is if you go to the, not only that, guys, but I want you guys to just look at this, make sure that you don't make the same mistake. So the 1 hour 800 EMA is in the way, the 50-minute 800 EMA is in the way, and the 4 hour not the 4 hour 800 EMA is right over here. So but on the 4 hour it's off, it's it's kind of getting choppy inside the 50 EMA. That's a significant level. You can't fuck with that. That is a significant level that buyers and sellers are trying to decide. Not only, you guys gotta understand, the 50 EMA not only is it's a significant level that people can see. It's not only if you use the 50 EMA or an EMA. The correlations with significant levels correlate with with most indicators. Like with Bollinger Bands, you're going to see a correlation with the Bollinger Band mean toward the 50 EMA. You're going to see correlations with the simple moving averages. So with that significant level being in the way, buyers and sellers can see that, and so they're trying to take control of that. So with the liquid 50 falling on the 4 hour, and then price action, the buyers and sellers on the 4 hour are clearly kind of bear bias on it. Now that's one of the reasons why you see so much choppiness, because the buyers and sellers are trying to take control. The sellers seem to be more in control at the current moment, but it's just really choppy, as you guys can see right over here, came all the way down. So I mean, personally, I wouldn't have traded this just because we have two, the 800 EMA being the way, the 1 hour EMA being 800 EMA being the way, as well as just looking at the 1 hour. Clearly that's in the way, and then as well as if you go to the 4 hour, like I said again, liquid 50 is clearly falling. So yeah, I mean, it's just whenever you have a significant level, you're gonna expect choppiness, even though if you on the 15-minute, on the 4 hour, these are just choppiness right over here, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So with like I said again, with these significant levels, you just have to be really careful, especially whenever you have a significant level on top of a significant level. It's not really you're gonna expect choppiness, just like in the 1 minute, whenever you're trading toward the 800 EMA, it's all correlated. Our systems are all fractal. You can use it on any time frame, but just whenever you're trading a D1 entry, toward the 800 EMA. You can expect choppiness. You could expect either a retracement off the 800 EMA, a choppiness, and then a retracement, or just a full breakthrough toward the 800 EMA. Just because it is a significant level that you have to keep an eye on. It's the same thing with the higher temps, 15 minute and the 1 hour. The 800 EMA is clearly in the way on the 15 minute. Yeah, it's bullish. Yeah, it's clearly bullish or whatever, but you know, just like on the 1 minute, like there's so much patterns. Like I have so much markups where price action comes up toward the 800 EMA, like kind of like a false breakout, and then just reverses clearly. So you just have to be careful with that. You know, whenever the 800 EMA is like that in the way with price action between buyers and sellers, especially on the higher time frames, you can expect a lot of chop and a lot of indecision. You know, so personally, I wouldn't have taken that just because, you know, because of that, the significant levels in that part. So just that's JPAUD. That's pretty much it for for what I'm looking at. I want to see what we do in GJ. We can maybe expect a scalp off that. I would like a retracement for that to happen. Okay, so I want to go over my swing trades for today. So these were my trades yesterday. Just amazing trades. You know, we got a super pinch right over here. You know, made some money right there. Closed about at right over here, so it wasn't a fool of a move. Show you guys my swing trade real quick. Alright, so these are my swing trades for basically I took them last night. There's a lot of momentum last night. I loved it. So yeah, so this is my swing trade. So currently I closed about half of my major positions right over here on the failure of the RL10. So yeah, just basically looking to enter about half of my original, maybe a little bit more than half my original size back into the swing trade. I'm just basically worried about the market open. And I just got, you know, I was made aware of by Dr. Ken Long that, you know, not to be too kind of bullish on it. You know, there's definitely significant levels on the higher time frames, and with like the news events, you definitely have to be a little bit careful. So I was made aware by that, and you know, I just have to, like, you know, if I'm in profit, I gotta take some money in it. I gotta take some money, some gains. You know, you shouldn't be able to lose on half an R. You should still be able to gain at least maybe a 0.25% or 0.10% or something like that, or even a 0.05%, like, you know, at least some money, some market tuition, as you could say. So yeah, so that's why I took some profit right over here. I'm gonna see if what we do right over here. I'm looking to get back in for sure. Looking to get back into that swing trade and then swinging it toward the high right over here. Also, one of the reasons why I also closed half was with this box right over here. This is called the FQN, the fair value, as you could say, right over here. So the fair value was literally right over here. So price action was starting to reverse off that fair value. So what the fair value means is that it's a maximum amount of a bullish push that buyers have previously done in the past. So you could use that as, you know, kind of an indication of where price action could go and where it could start staggering. So from right over here, it was, you know, starting to reverse. So that's why I took some more over here. But I don't think the swing trade is done. Like, I don't think on SPY that's a bit different. But I personally don't think that, you know, we're going to see a full-out reversal. Now, I could be wrong when the market opens in 5 minutes. But that's what Dr. Ken Long was kind of worried about. So we'll see what we do here. I mean, it's already made a V-shaped recovery on the 1 hour. So maybe it just makes a double top and then just maybe continues going lower or whatever. So we'll see. But that's my swing trade for me right now at the current moment. Yeah, we're just gonna see what we do today. Nasdaq is pushing higher, so that's pretty good. I'm really glad about the Nasdaq. You know, if you go to the US 100, so I closed about a little bit more of my swing trade, like right over here. So you know, it's basically around maybe less than 100 points toward my take profit. So it's a really good trade. You know, so I'm just gonna basically close the majority of my position on a swing trade, and then just take my take profit out, and then just basically let it go and see what it does. But yeah, just a really good swing trade for me at the moment. Pretty good, Alex. I mean, Nasdaq could definitely have more of a push toward the high, so that's interesting toward my side. S&P 500 close to max ADR, probably not. Yes, same with Dow Jones. I'm only looking for swing trades, maybe a day trade into a swing trade, which would be interesting. But I'll probably have to add it on the 15-minute if I can see an entry. We got massive push right over here. We should start consolidating maybe right over here off these levels. We'll see. But I am looking to get back into my swing trade. But Nasdaq 100 is interesting. So that's interesting. That's really interesting toward my side. So a lot of trade ideas. We're looking at GJ for potential scalp, US 100 for potential long entry, US 30 for potential day trade, and a swing trade. So that's currently everything that I'm looking at. I'm also looking at gold. Yeah, I was also looking at gold, but literally, like, it's at my significant level that I had, it just bounced off straight up with like a 2% day today. If we go to gold. So I'm interested in this because I'm looking to accumulate some gold at those levels, as well as maybe you know, take a day trade on it as well, or a swing trade. But at these levels, like, I marked these levels right. It doesn't show on the screen, but I marked these levels right over here with a really significant level from just literally like 10 years ago. It was like a really significant level 10 years ago, and it just, you know, clearly bounced off that level. So yeah, I'm excited to see what happens with that as it, you know, continues going higher. There's no entries for me though. Like, it's just doing the same for me at the current moment. All right. Market opens in 1 minute. Ooh, I didn't see that. Crap. This is a pinch. Maybe a Z3 pinch. Nah, it's probably a pinch. But it's still a significant pinch right over here. Toward the upside. Maybe I could make a hybrid frog out of it. Market has opened. Dow Jones is starting to retrace back. Okay, so we're seeing retracement toward the downside, which is good. Give me more retracement back. That's a better price for me. Also, I was looking at VIX. Maybe a trade on the VIX. We'll see. Because if the market does turn south today, I could use the VIX as a hedge on the market and just make some money, some day trading money on it. Alright, so we're seeing a retracement toward the downside. Nasdaq looks much more stronger on the weak side today. Dow Jones is coming down, so it could be kind of a hybrid frog box. Alright, so this is my box. Yeah, that'll be my box for longs. Yeah, market's turning south. Dow Jones is starting to fail. Maybe we can expect a pattern. So all my positions have my lock stop or break even, so even if it does reverse, and I am Gucci. So Nasdaq is starting to push lower and lower. So in Dow Jones we are at a significant level, which is 3,000. It's a psychology level right there at 3,000. So I could expect some chop on that. Dow Jones is starting to fall. I mean Nasdaq. Dow Jones seems a bit stronger today. Holy crap, yeah, look at that. I could have traded it toward the short side, but not today. And look at that box to see if we, yeah, we really just retrace off that box. Very interesting. I'm in US 30. That's interesting. That's interesting to me right now. We're just retracing. Not a owl entry for me yet, but that keeps on across. That's interesting. I'm gonna get ready maybe to take a long right there. Yeah, I'm looking at some trades. Oh fuck, look at that. Look at that momentum, bro. I see that, I see that. I see that entry on DJ. I'm just more interested in trading Dow Jones right now. Yeah, quite interested in trading that right now. Yeah, I could have taken this entry right over here on TJ. Actually, I would have been long right over here. If only I had this stuff set up a little bit more. So we just rejected off that level. Let's see, let's see. So the RL10 just crossed over the baby dragon. L30 starting to cross. That's almost an owl entry. Yeah, it's a hybrid frog from the high of day and then a owl entry. Not in yet. But anyway, so looks like it's failing. Yeah, I'm not entering yet. I want to see a retest and a continuation. I could enter the NASDAQ, which I should, but I'm looking to get back in on my swing trade with an intraday entry. But this is not interesting yet for a moment. We could just see a fill. Alright, so Yeah, so we're bouncing off the 200 EMA on the 5 minute, and then the 50 EMA on the 50 minute right over here. So it is a significant level. So we'll see. Let's see what we do today. GJ. I'm interested in longs.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
What's up, Jack? Congrats, bro. Congrats on being back. I know you were studying a lot. Pretty good, bro. Pretty good. I've been really great. Any good trades today? No trades today. Swing trading on the Nasdaq 100, the US 30, but nothing really much. GJ looks like it's starting to, gain some momentum, even though we're in summer territory. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see if momentum kicks it up. It just looks really weak to me. It's probably because the liquid 50 is coming down, so the buyers are going to get less and less interested. It starts coming down. Okay, that's interesting. So the Nasdaq is pushing higher. So it's almost like a V-shaped recovery right over here. Yeah, that's interesting. I could enter right now. Maybe for an owl entry. Slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. You know I'll come running. Entering. I'm entering right now on Dow Jones. Oh, we're seeing a breakout beautifully. I'm looking at a Nasdaq, I don't know. I'm looking for day trade. I'm only risking about usually a 1/4% of my original risk. I'm entering on that trade, and then I'm gonna make sure that I get out at 1R. Now that market is pushing up. watching these carefully because if they fell, I'm getting out early, about half an hour. Okay, Dow Jones looks like it just reversed. Nasdaq is starting to kind of fail. So Nasdaq, I'm in small, so I could try holding it just a little bit. But we'll see. See what Nasdaq does. Yeah, Dow Jones looks strong. We'll see, we'll see. Alright, so GJ looks choppy. I mean, it's just consolidating. Liquid 50 starting to fail right now. Yeah, I did. Switched out the candles. Not really. I mean, I'm starting to see kind of like the markets start getting, you know, a little bit hotter, but nothing really crazy with like really crazy volatility. Nasdaq is starting to push higher. Locking my stop at half an hour. No, come on, Nasdaq, push higher. Oh man, she's falling off that frog box. So GG's starting to push higher, finally, which is really slow. Which is a bit strange because this market has opened. Usually you're gonna see some kind of some more volatility. Okay, Dow Jones is just killing it. Thank you, Dow Jones. Good boy, good boy. Keep going up. Nasdaq, come on, bro. You're failing. Don't fail. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Push higher. Quit being the little third wheel and just push higher, bro. Everything's trying to go up, and the tech sector is just like, fuck no. I'm chilling, though. I think I reduced my risk for the day pretty good. Like, the most that I will lose is about a 0.10% for the day. Or even a 0.25%, I'll say. Which is not even bad. So, I like that. I reduce my risk to, you know, having, even if the market turns south on my trades, it's a affordable and easy loss. Alright, so GJ just doing its thing. Good, very good, Nasdaq. Keep pushing higher, Nasdaq. Keep pushing higher. Make Daddy proud. Anyway, so I'm starting a vlog, 30-day vlog for you guys. Should be fun. I know Austin did a 30-day vlog for December, last December. So for the OGs who remember that, you know, Austin did a Dow Jones. Come on, let's go. But for the people who remember, we were like Austin did like a 30-day vlog for Christmas. So he's actually the one who recommended me it. So since I'm gonna be leaving in about like, I'll say in about like 2 months, I'll be leaving to my military training. I just want to, you know, put out a lot of good content for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do. So officially starting it today. Okay, so looks like we're starting to see kind of a breakout. We'll see. We'll see, GJ. It's making kind of a higher low from here. A little bit choppy. A little bit choppy. Ooh. Market's choppy today. Definitely. To be fair, the market is only open 30 minutes to go, so we'll see. We'll see what we do within an hour. Yeah, market's just doing its thing. Yeah, 20. I love that video with the 20 pips. Really good video on his part. So market is reversing right now. see, we'll see. Like I said again, I might just get out early and then re-enter later if I see a re-entry. I just kind of want to just conserve my wins yesterday. So I want to like really give back money today. The market is just being really crappy. Oh, that push up. Just continue pushing up. Continue pushing up. Give me that momentum. We all want that momentum. Oh, NASDAQ. I have this song in Spanish. Ooh. I'm so sick. I didn't know they had it in Spanish. Oh, NASDAQ, you're just pushing higher. Come on, Dow Jones, do your thing. To the mountains. Give me some more money today. Come on, market. Give me some more money, market. More money, market. Oh yeah. Give me that more money. Come on. Come on, market. Dow Jones starting to come up. We're almost to 1R on our NASDAQ trade. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Give me that more. Give me that momentum, baby. Just beautiful. Alright, so I want to look at the 15-minute. I want to see what the levels we're looking at. Look at this pinch. Oh. Alright, so we're off the high of day now, the new high. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out, or at least get mostly out, because we're at 1R right now. And this is a significant level because we're off basically I'm closing about 80% of my position. So, you know, just because we're off a really level, like on the daily chart, Nasdaq is just starting to push off, you know, the previous levels, like the previous highs. So, just in case price action, you know, wants to do whatever it wants, I'm gonna get out, mostly on my position right there. But yeah, just a good win for a Tuesday, as market seemed to be a little bit choppy today. But you know, we're still doing it. Just giving it a chance for the Nasdaq 100. Alright, sorry about that. Just was recording. Alright. I'm looking to go buy some more stocks today or tomorrow. I'm interested in DVN and CBAT, especially CBAT. I think we could see a push higher. I'm investing DVN, Devon, a little bit more heavily, just because like basically Devon headquarters is based in Oklahoma, so it's good. Took a trade on the Nasdaq 100. We're up about 1R on it. So, yeah, just a really good trade. Market starting to come up again. So, yeah, just really good. Now we're just being patient, you know. Our positions are stopped or at break even, so we can lose on the trade. So right now it's just basically a silent experiment. A silent experiment to see how much money I can make and how far is it gonna go. You're just chilling. Like that's all you're doing, guys. You're just freaking chilling. You know, you don't have to worry about, oh my god, like am I gonna fail? Am I gonna like you know, cry that I lost on this trade or whatever? Like you're just chilling. GJ starting to push higher. So it finally started to push higher. You just had to be a little patient with it. I guess GA is starting to push higher, but I think GJ was much more better today. In my opinion. Yeah, look at the Nasdaq 100 just pushing higher and higher.
You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame.
Goes a little bit more right there. I have like 20% left of this position.
You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your
Yeah, we're up about balance 0.5% today. Equity, we're up about 1%.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel.
Oh, that's what we're kind of. Yeah, that's what we're kind of being a little bit choppy in the I'm in the US30. We're already up to ADR. That is probably wise. But like I said, it's a swing trade, so I'm aware of the risk whenever I took that trade. That's why I'm almost about to lock myself a break even on the last swing trade. Cause I'm not looking for a reversal today. Nasdaq, we still have like a while to go toward ADR. We have like about 57 points to ADR. GJ starting to push higher. I like the liquid 50 now. Those are clean counter formations. Usually I don't trade on my scalping system. It's very rare to be on a level 2. But on this case, that is an entry. See what we do toward that level. I mean, as a D1 entry, like it's just really choppy, you know. Just kind of there's no clear structure on it before the break of the liquid 50. Then like after the break of the liquid 50, yeah, you do make kind of a higher low right over here. Liquid 50 does hold in the buy zone, but it reverses back into the sell zone, so it's not clean. Really isn't that clean for a D1 entry. And there's no like previous good structure either, so it's not like clean D1. I'm not like excluding the D1 entry. It's just like whenever it's choppy and it's not the best D1 entry, I could just use my system as fractals and turn that D1 as a fractal entry and then trade the momentum up and down without getting chopped out around as if you were on a D1 entry. So for me, I much prefer scalping it instead of taking it long as a D1 entry. And yeah, I just locked my stop or break even on the last position, so it's now very risk free. Like if I was gonna trade GA, like I know that GA it's just choppy, but as you can see right over here, we have actually no divergence. I don't even see divergence here. There's no divergence off that level. Dow Jones, do your thing, Dow Jones. Yeah, my swing trade on Dow Jones is doing pretty good today. We're failing off. Maybe we could retest, but I'm probably gonna get out right now. Yeah, I just got out on NASDAQ. Reason why it's starting to reverse. Look, MACD is starting to reverse as well, so it could definitely come in toward the Bollinger Mean. So I only had 20% of the position, so it's not a really big deal, to be honest. But whatever. I'm just gonna. I could definitely push higher today, so maybe I could look for a re-entry on it if I really want to. But I mean, just 1R today, that's pretty good in my opinion, and as well as my swing trades, the ones I took profit today, as well as the current swing trades that I'm at, I'm chilling. 1R for today, that's pretty good in my opinion. But yeah, I could definitely push higher. I just wanna not starting to push higher. Oh well, no FOMO for me, guys. 1R is more than enough. Yeah, and I'm up about more than 1% of my swing trades right now, so it's very good. Yeah, GJ just pushing higher. This is how my swing trades are going. So pretty good for the day. Pretty good for a Tuesday. About 1% for the day. That's pretty good. It's making me up 2% for the week. I'm not complaining. And then we got a good trade on the NASDAQ 100 for about 1R. 1 hour gain. It's pretty good. So definitely not complaining at all. Definitely had a good trade. This is an owl entry, so price actually started to fall. Came all the way up with the dragon RL10. So pretty good trade. So I'm happy. Not gonna go ahead and wanting to get into bigger positions and get FOMO. You know, it is what it is. So I'm chilling, guys. As like still continues going to get higher and higher. Yeah, maybe I got out. I got out a little bit too early on that, bro. Well, it is what it is, guys. You're gonna lose some. Now I'll be disappointed if I was completely out of the markets. I'll be freaking pissed. Like, did I really just get out because of that? Also, guys, this is a really good book. You guys need to read this. Trading in the Zone. Really good book. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. What you guys waiting for? I'm gonna make a YouTube video about that. Also for my swing trades, the big one that I had. Yeah, because I had a really big swing trade, the one that I was showing on Instagram on Nasdaq 100. Just I had to be really patient with it. I think the key for me was just basically reducing risk as it went up, just because I really didn't want to, you know, have a full size on. So I think that was the key for me, just reducing risk as I continue going higher and higher. Oh, Dow Jones. I think I'm gonna close a little bit on my swing trade, just a little bit. You know, just you know, I worked hard. When you get some peace in the market, you know. You gotta feed yourself. I got a family to feed. I'm just kidding. But yeah, just a really good swing trade on that part. So definitely happy about that. How to save a life. pretty much it though. That's pretty much it for the trading session. Like I'm done. GJ, like it's gonna continue higher. I didn't take these entries just because it's just choppy. Like, they were too choppy for me. I like having my entries really quick and fast on my scalps. But I mean, these definitely worked out in the favor. Yeah, US 100 could definitely continue going higher. So I definitely fucked up a little bit on not holding a piece on that position because this thing can definitely just freaking go all the way up to ADR. As you know, everything is going up to ADR. This one definitely could too. So definitely missed out on that. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm looking to buy some more stocks on Devon and CBAT. I want CBAT to be, I mean, it's been going down, so which is fine for me because I'll be getting into a better price for me. So I'm chilling, and I'm gonna buy some more Devon today as we're starting to retrace back. On gold, I am interested in that. Maybe just start accumulating some gold at a good price here. But other than that, that's pretty much it because I don't know what we're gonna do long term on gold for sure. I don't know if this is just a retracement from, you know, a really significant level that we had right here, or if it's just gonna retrace off the 1 hour 50 EMA. I mean, the 4 hour 50 EMA right over here, and then just come down. That's the thing where people should be a little bit careful with, you know, not getting caught up too hard on it. So, plus there's like bullish divergence, but we'll see. If we break toward this level, then I'll be more interested on it for like day trading and then accumulating a little bit more on gold. So that's kind of what I'm at. Like Bitcoin, not really. Like I'm not trying to accumulate too much on Bitcoin. I haven't invested too much on Bitcoin yet. And now that it's, you know, almost at the all-time highs, it is what it is, you know. I know Bitcoin had a what, fucking 3% day, or 8%. Fuck, oh my god, that's a huge move. It's a really huge move, guys. 8%. But yeah, maybe I'll start accumulating some a little bit more Bitcoin in my portfolio. But I know we are at the all-time high, so I think that's really bullish for Bitcoin. You know, as we're coming all over to the all-time highs. You know, that's just it's gonna give people more confidence in trading and investing into it. So, which could be good. I think that's good in the trading community. But that's pretty much it for today. Silver, you know, same retracement toward the upside. So I'm more interested in silver though, as on the 4 hour we just broke through it toward the 50 EMA. I'm more interested in that actually. So I'm gonna invest a little bit more in silver on that part. But yeah, I like it. Maybe I'll day trade some options on silver and gold. But yeah, keep an eye on these things as, you know, gold and silver are starting to push up. Good time to invest, good time to start buying. Some good day trades for me if I see any. So that's pretty much it for today. Nothing really interesting, to be honest. GJ, I think it was the only good idea on my part that I saw today. Like EMAs were okay, they weren't the best, but they were okay. Liquid 50 was okay as well. So I think this was definitely the best pair to trade for today. It's falling off that high right over here, so we'll definitely see what it does later on. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the stream, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And you know, in Instagram or whatever. So also we have the Cyber Monday that's still going on right now. So if you guys are still interested in joining with AceFX, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. You guys' journey as a trader or whatever. So let me know if you guys are interested. Cyber Monday. I'm also giving out a free call to anyone who's actually interested in joining, you know, our team, my team. I'm more than happy to help you guys, teach you guys, and just teach you guys the consistency of it, every single day, and learning how to kind of think on your own without just following other people's signals or whatever. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, Wednesday at for 8 a.m. CST. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys later.
You and me, we both live life at full speed. Easy to see when we collide. No one walks away easy. I never thought you'd be the one. I never meant to take your heart. I never felt so hard. I never meant to be the one. I never thought I'd break your heart. And after the stars have crumbled to dust, we still feel the warmth burning in us, burning in us. It hurts so bad, but it doesn't mean that it's wrong. No, 'cause after the storm, you'll see the sun. And after the storm, you and me, we both live life at full speed. Easy to see when we collide. No one walks away easy. I never thought you'd be the one. I never meant to take your heart. I never felt so hard. I never meant to be the one. I never thought I'd break your heart. And after the stars have crumbled to dust, we still feel the warmth burning in us, burning in us. It hurts so bad, but it doesn't mean that it's wrong. No, 'cause after the storm, you'll see the sun. And after the storm,
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. You get